Good morning, everybody.
Woo!
It's our second day here at Glacier National Park. Ashley is braiding her hair currently.
Yes.
We are about to go on the Going to the Sun Road and see as many waterfalls as we can today. That's our goal. Waterfall day.
Yes, hopefully that happens. Our plans always change, so we'll see.
If it's anything like Yellowstone, we'll never get there.
We'll never get to a waterfall.
So
There's like 8 on the map that are like 0.5 of a hike. So if we don't make it to a single waterfall, I'd be very concerned.
we fell off the road if we didn't make it to any waterfalls.
I guess. But the Going to the Sun Road, it apparently is really cool.
Get ready. We will video some of it. Bye.
So far, we've seen a lot of waterfalls, even just driving. So it seems like our goal is not too far-fetched. Holy mackerel. There's another one. The Glacier drive-through. This is called the Weeping Wall. That sure is crying.
Sometimes sobbing.
Wow, it just goes on forever. Where is this water coming from?
Woo! Here we are, hiking to 4 different waterfalls.
All at once on the same trail.
Yeah!
This should be fun. We are at the
Sun Point.
Sun Point Nature Walk trailhead. And from this one, you can walk to a bunch of different trails that are interconnected that lead to waterfalls. So
It's gonna be epic.
just keep the magic rolling.
Woo!
Boring Falls.
St. Mary's Falls. Water here is just absolutely stunning.
We have found a mini snake.
Caterpillar.
Oh. This is called Running Eagle Falls.
It's so crazy. The water is really hard to see back there, but it comes out behind the cave and in front of it. Don't know how that works.
Don't know what these things are, but they are everywhere, it seems.
Headed to Epistoki Falls.
Woo!
Here we go.
This one's kind of hard to see, but it is right there. Whoa, 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 falling off a cliff.
Easy.
This is the low view. We just climbed down into the riverbed. It's a better view, kind of. This one's kind of hard to see. Not a better view, but it's still really pretty. Yeah. Nice rock. A bunch of moss growing on everything.
My review of Epistoki Falls is that it is a hard to see waterfall, and out of everything that I've seen today, mediocre at best. So
Well, today's been pretty hard to beat.
true, but it's an easy. Slippery.
Was it worth it? Woo.
I don't know. Oh, probably not.
Glacier, everyone.
So cold. Hello, dear. How are you?
Almost ran into him.
We'll pass you, buddy. How about that?
This is Paradise Point. It is so serene here.
Hi. Yep. What's up? Hello. Go back to the grass. Nothing to see.
Bye.
We are here at the Velasquez, a Mexican restaurant in Columbia Falls, right outside Glacier. We are celebrating Ashley's birthday. Only 4 days late. We split a double cheeseburger at the Mammoth Terrace Grill for her true birthday.
10 p.m.
And, we figured that wasn't sufficient, so the birthday celebration continues to roll, and will continue to roll until tomorrow, as we are planning on trying to find a huckleberry shake before we leave Glacier.
Apparently, huckleberry is like the thing up here.
Little did I know, but we'll find one of those, and we'll keep you updated. We did not quite understand the portion size that we were about to enjoy here, so that plate is like basketball flattened out. So here we go. As you can see here, whoop, the food was no match for our appetites. After hiking 13 miles today,
13.4.
and seeing 10 waterfalls?
10 waterfalls, I think.
Ish.
So honestly, we probably saw way more than we could even count because of the
road, the going to the sun
going to
road.
the sun road. We also ran into a bunch of animals.
Yep, 2 deer.
We almost literally walked into a deer.
Saw a grizzly today.
Yep. Bunch of little tiny like squirrel things.
Yep, some pot guts running around.
I saw a Henry.
I was there, present.
Yeah, he's very primitive sometimes.
Indeed. But a good day.
Yeah, it was great. Would definitely recommend this place.
Vaqueros, or whatever. If you're in Columbia Falls, this is the Mexican spot for sure. Not sponsored.
Sometimes we have a late night and we are not able to shower, but that's when wipes like this come in handy. It's the next best thing. You just kind of gotta make the best of it.
Shower wipes.
I will show you the results from my current feet scrub. This is pretty impressive. Hopefully you can see the difference of wiped foot, not wiped foot. So, yeah, we're getting our
Ready
dirt
for
off
bed.
and we're going to go to bed. But yeah, it's a good day.
Good days.
Hopefully you have more than a wipe shower wherever you are.
Indeed.